Hi, Jessica from the eRank team here, and today I'm going to show you eRank's Buzzing on Etsy tool so that you can do research on what has been hot and trending on Etsy recently. Today I'm going to be focusing specifically on SVG keywords to help out our digital sellers, but you can see the variety of categories that are available. So how do we get there? Simply go to your eRank dashboard, click on the Trends menu on the left-hand navigation bar, and click Monthly Trends. This will bring us to our Buzzing on Etsy tool. eRank gets new data at the beginning of every month. So right now, the current data we have is for April of 2024. So I'll just give you a quick overview of what the home page for this tool looks like before we dig into SVGs. So it looks like Mother's Day gift was the most popular keyword last month. No surprise, it had almost 163,000 searches. Also popular, wall art, earrings, personalized jewelry, and gift. Any keyword that you see that has a little flame next to it, such as earrings, jewelry, keychains, or rings, is something that is still popular now. Digital sellers, however, don't usually sell these items. One category that we can use this tool for are SVGs. So if we click on SVG, this will show us the most popular keywords using the term SVG for the past month. So SVG files was number 1. So if you sell any, make sure you have that keyword in there somewhere. Super popular right now are things related to spring and summer. Baseball, flowers, graduations, class of 2024, big one to watch out for. Things such as mermaids, sunflowers, Earth Day are all popular right now. So you can use these keywords in your listings now, and you can also save them for using next year. If you click a star next to any keyword, that'll save it to one of your keyword lists, which is a tool that you can use to save keywords for future reference. And the keyword statistics, such as average searches and competition every month, will be updated. So save any that you might want to use for next year, and you'll be able to see how their trend flows through the year. Let's go and see what May last year's hot keywords were to see if maybe we can use them now and get ahead of our competition. So it looks like Mother's Day again was super popular. Teacher, Father's Day, Juneteenth, Memorial Day, graduation, and teacher appreciation. All important holidays and all in that spring-summer area. So make sure that you have these listings listed now, because now is May 2024, so people are already going to be shopping for these and looking to celebrate these occasions. I hope that this tutorial was helpful, and we at eRank are looking forward to helping you on your selling journey.